Sorry guys, my battery's low, but just kind of hot wiring this thing, and I just ran it. Put a little bit of load on the phase converter to get it started, because all I'm doing is just I got it wired directly to the motor, and I'm just plugging it in to get it going. But so far it seems all right. So let's see if this thing still fires up. I don't have any way to hold the camera, so bear with me, or the phone I should say. See what happens here. Okay. Okay, that's 710 RPM. Doesn't sound too bad though. Actually, it's fucking flying, or freaking flying, excuse me. But there's the power feed, and then bringing her back. Let's see, threading, shift it off. Then you can slow it down. So it's hard to tell, but that's slower. You know, but so far it really doesn't sound too bad. So you can hear it quite a bit at the higher RPM, but I still have to check the oil, and I can't run a flash, but I did see oil bubble up here, so it means it's not empty.